Hey guys, on this video, I'm going to share with you on how to create a 10 pages lead magnet in a minute using an AI, free Canva, and also funnel setup using the Go High level. I'm going to show you how easy to create a lead magnet to provide more value to your client. This is one way to get unlimited leads by providing valuable informations from your target audience. And one of the valuable information is by giving them a PDF guide or what we call lead magnet for marketing. That's why on this video, I'm going to show you how easy to create a lead magnet using an AI. So if you're ready, let's begin. So to begin with, I want you to click the link and sign up to our online form. And once you sign up to our online form, you'll be able to access this page. This page is the ultimate guide so that you can create a lead magnet super easy. The step one, you need to download the AI prompt. So I already created an AI prompt. So you just need to copy this one. You just need to copy this. Okay. Control C or copy. Okay, copy. And then go back to the guide. It says here, open the chat GPT. So click the step two and it will pump up to a chat GPT. So if you don't have a chat GPT yet, create an account. For me, I already have a chat GPT account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to control V or paste. So I'm going to paste it and then I'm going to change the location. So for example, I'm in Ontario, for example, Ontario, and then the 10 pages, just change everything and that's it. Now, what I want you to do is just press enter and now the chat GPT will create a 10 pages lead magnet informations. All right. So these are the informations that the chat GPT is creating based from the prompt. The prompt that I shared with you is a proven system. It's a proven information needed by your target audience, especially for the first time home buyer. So I'm going to use this. Okay. So it's still typing, right? So and now our chat GPT just finished writing the 10 pages lead magnet for our target customers. Now we're going to check this one first. It says the title, First Time Home Buyer Guide, Your Path to Home Ownership in Ontario. So these pages, you just simply change the date, change the locations or province or country, and then you will have your own lead magnet. Okay. Now, you need to read this one thoroughly. You are an expert in your industry, so try to check every information. But based from our prompt and the chat GPT product or output, it is very beneficial. But it's also to to check it. However, you need to check it. You need to check it and verify those information as well. But anyway, why buy Ontario? It's stable market, strong economy, diverse neighborhood, investment potential, first time buyer incentives as well. There's a step-by-step process on how to buy, get pre-approved, determine your needs, hire a realtor, start your home search, make an offer, finalize the mortgage, understand the mortgage, hidden cost to watch out for, top neighborhood for your first time home buyers. These are the list. The common mistake to avoid. So here you go. And my suggestion to make it more personalized, you can also add some link here, like for example, a video guide, right? So they can click the link because the PDF is a clickable, right? So they can click and redirect to a YouTube video, for example. So this is for me, this is just a suggestion. If you still have enough time to create a video, like, hey, what are the common mistakes? So you can add here a little bit video or something. And then how to work with a realtor. So here you can also make a video that when they click it, they can go to the YouTube channel, or you can also have the scan QR code when it will be redirected to YouTube channels. So this is also the frequently asked questions and also the call to actions. So this is where you're going to put your name, phone number, so that if they have more questions about buying property in Ontario, you will be the first person to be called because you provided value. That's the secret to get unlimited leads for your industry. Now, we already created our chat GPT. So the next step is open the Google Docs. I want you to open the Google Docs. So you just need to click this one and it will redirect it to your Google. So if you don't have a Google, I strongly suggest to open one. You can create one and then go back to the chat GPT. So what I want you to do is I'm going to copy this. I'll just copy this. Okay. Copy, copy, copy. Here you go. Control C and then copy and paste. Control V. Here you go. And then go back here. I want to copy the title here. Bomb. And then let's type it here. So I have already here the PDF. Feel free to edit the text. Feel free to add photos. Feel free to add videos. So this is just a guide wherein this is how easy to create a lead magnet for your audience using the chat GPT. So we start from the AI prompt that I created. Just copy paste it, paste it on the chat GPT. The chat GPT will provide these informations. Open your Google Drive and copy paste here. So we just once we finish it, the next step is download this as a PDF. Okay, so download, go to the PDF document, and then just download this. Now we have PDF. All right, so we already have a PDF. As I mentioned to you, you can also put some link over here. Like for example, this if you want to link this, just highlight this, and then insert link. And let's say HTTPS. This is my website. This example just to give you idea. So that's the link, right? And now I'm going to save this into a PDF. Now, if I'm just duplicate this one, double click, and scroll down. This one is hyperlink. Okay, this is what you call clickable. So I can click this, and it will redirect it to my website. Same thing with, if, for example, you added videos. For example, here you screenshot the videos, and then they click that one. It will redirect it to YouTube. So that's how easy you feel free to customize this. But what's the next step? You already have the PDF. What the next step is to create a lead magnet in Canva. So we need to create a design. The good thing is we already created a template for you. So this the fourth step is to create the lead magnet. Now, once we are in the Canva, the next step that you need to do is just to edit the title, change the location, and also you can upload your image here. For example, put your photos here. Just remove the background, and here you go. You have a photo here. So my suggestion to you is have your photo here. And then that's one way of putting brand. You can put your brokerage logo as well. So depending to what kind of design that you want. But this one is it's already done for you. So the next step that you need to do is to download the first image or the first page and then make sure it's a PNG, then download. Then once it's done, just save it. And then what you need to do is go here. You will see this one, right? It's like a book. What I want you to do is upload the graphic design that you created and then just drag and drop. Boom. Then that's it. So you just need to drag and drop. Then you have now an ebook or what you call lead magnet. So this is what you need to have. Then you need to download this. This is the page 4. Okay, page 4, and I want this to be transparent background. All right, then download. We're going to use this one. We're going to use this image if we're going to have the download page, right? So we will use this image later on. So we're done this one, step 2, step 3, step 4, we're done. The next is we're going to create a funnel in Go High Level because what we're going to do is we will create a landing page wherein the client are going to download this easily, but they need to fill up the form. After creating our lead magnet, the PDF guide that we just created, the next step is to create this landing page. We need this landing page or funnel so that when we share this to our prospect customers, they need to sign up to get this cap to get a free copy. They need to sign up first. So the keynote here to get unlimited lead is to provide more value to your customers or your prospect customers or clients. So what will happen now is, let's say you created a posting on social media and say, hey, we have a free guide for a first-time home buyer in Ontario. Click the link to download this link. Now, once they click this, they will go here on this landing page. It's very simple. You just need to change the photo here, and that's it, right? So I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to create this and capture the data. So what will happen now? If you share this link, your customer will click this and say, oh, I want to get a copy. So now I'm going to enter my name, my last name, my email, my phone number to get this guide. And that's the secret of getting a lead magnet for you. That's the secret to get unlimited leads for your business. Now, the question now is how to do this. I'll make this very simple by giving you a template. So I can share with you the template, this funnel, to you by clicking the link or joining our community, onefunnel.net. I'll put the link on the description below. But anyway, here's the template. I'll just click this one and I'm going to change a little bit. So I'm going to change the photo and I'm going to change the form. That's it. So here, I don't need to change this one. It's already done for me. It's a discover the step-by-step guide to buying your first home in for free in in Ontario, for example, or in Nova Scotia or Manitoba, right? So you can say here the locations, okay? So you can change this email, your color to get the attention of your prospect customers, okay? So here you go. Are you dreaming of owning your first home at feeling overwhelmed by the process? You're not alone. Buying a home is one of the biggest financial decisions you'll ever make. And without the right information, it can be confusing, frustrating, and even costly. That's why we created the first time home buyer guide, your ultimate roadmap to navigate your home buying process with confidence. So get your free copy today. If I click this, it will pop up here. So when you say pop up, there will be a pop up screen. This one, which is the online form. So to edit this online form, just go edit form and you can simply edit the form if you want to add more information. My pro tip for you is don't add too much information because some people are not comfortable to fill up a lot of information, right? They are not comfortable to share some vital and confidential information. So I'll basically ask the first name, last name, email, and phone number. That's it, right? Then once they click it, it will go directly to the PDF that we created. So how to do this? I'm going to publish this first. Okay, sorry, I'm save for now. And then let's create the PDF. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this, then go back, then go to the medium story, media storage, click upload here. I'll just click upload here. And then this is the guide that we created on the first slide of the video. So this is the link. Now I'm going to get the link here. I'm going to try to check it first. So this is the PDF guide, right? So I need this link. So after signing up the form, it will redirect it here and they can simply download here. All right. So that's our objective, right? So this is the guide that we created. And now what we're going to do is go back to the funnel and then go to our lead magnets here, Realtor, and then let's edit again here. All right. And then after signing up the form, I want the customer or your client to redirect it to the PDF. All right. Now click save. And now let's try. All right. So here, if I'm interested, for example, I'm a customer, I'm going to try it. Testing, testing at gmail.com. See, 905 343 got free access. And after this, it will be redirected to the PDF. So what's the good thing about this? So if I am the home buyer, I am your customer, I can simply download this. Very easy, right? Super easy. I can download this and it will be saved to my drive. And that's it. And let's go back to our funnel and we will change the photo. So click this one and go to the image options. Click this and click upload. And then go to the browser. Okay, say download here. Here you go. And then let's double click. And here you go. So we're able to change the image, the PDF form that they can download, right? So this is one way of putting brand. So feel free to add some photos or image. You can change there. So I'll just run this quickly. If you want to add image, just go here. Just simply click the image here, drag and drop, and you can add your photo. I'll just example here. This is my photo, for example, right? So that's how easy it is. Maybe you want to add a video, just simply click the plus sign, add elements, and video here. You have an option to just to share the link of your YouTube channel, or you can upload in the system the video that you want to add here. So you can freely change this. And that's it. That's how you're going to create a landing page for your client. That's how you create lead magnet easily using an AI. And to do this, to implement this to your business, you need to make sure that you have a go higher level. So, quick question. Do you have a Go High Level account? If you do, please comment it below. If you don't have a Go High Level account, that's fine. There is a 30 days free trial that we are giving to you as part of my affiliate community. If you are part of my affiliate community, then you will have an opportunity to access all my trainings, all my webinars. So that's one of advantage of joining my affiliate community. So once again po mga Kap, it's me, Kap Joey, the founder of One Funnel, a proud Go High Level white label. Thank you very much and see you on the next one.